Hey guys, look what we have today. This is a pretty pink pot with a green bow. Let's open it. And what we have inside? And inside we have surprise eggs. Look at this green one. Who is inside? Oh, here is a Shopkins music box. Oh, very pretty. Do you like this music box? Oh yes, it's beautiful. What we have now? Look, here is a pink egg and inside is Minnie Mouse in pink polka dot dress and she's talking on phone. Look at her, she's very busy. Oh, Minnie, you're so busy today. What we have now? Ta-da! Here is yellow surprise egg and inside is Jerry. Oh, look at him, he's so happy. And he has such beautiful yellow cap. Oh, Jerry, we are so glad to see you. Do we have something else? Oh, yes, here is the orange surprise and inside is Angry Bird and this is Gail, Bad Princess. Oh, look at her. Look at her yellow crown. Yes, her name is Gail. What else do we have in this pouch? Oh, here is the last one and this is red surprise egg and inside is Granny Pig. Oh, look at her. She's wearing warm coat and boots. And who's Elsa? Here is George, little pig George, and he's wearing his red boots. Thank you for watching us. We are always glad to see you at Kids Toys channel. To have more fun, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.